Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today we are going to be unboxing a potty training set that I got for my 4-year-old. It is his birthday and it's finally time to get him potty trained. So the first item I have here is the potty training chart. So as you can see from the picture, it's a fireman, fire truck theme. Alright, so let's see, it comes with. Okay, so that's all it came with. So it comes with a sticker, so you can like put it on the mirror in the bathroom. Wash your hands, let's flush, and put toilet paper here. So there are also some magnets, and you can put the magnets over the chart. This is magnetic, so you can hang this like by your door in the bathroom, and if like he said he needed to go potty, you can give him one magnet. Let's try that. Like you can let it's like a motivation tool, so they will want to do it more. So if they said I needed to go potty, you can give him one magnet, and then one for I sat on the potty, one for going 2 and 3, and then I wiped and flushed, and then I washed my hands. So these are the magnets. Let me pull out this chart. So this is a pretty big chart. It's around 12 inches long, and it's made of a thick cardboard material. This part is not magnetic, but the chart is magnetic. So that's this part. The next part is the potty chair. So I got a Fisher's Price 3-in-1 potty seat. So this is from Walmart. So he can use it when he's it grows with him. So when you're done using this tiny potty chair, you can use it for your toilet, and then you can also use it as a stepping stool. So that's the inside. So it's removable. There is like a cup, so it's easy to clean. So as you can see, like step 1, step 2, and step 3. So you can use it 3 ways. So let's look it up and let's see here. So it's been a while since we've done an unboxing. So this is the potty seat. As you can see, it's pretty heavy duty. It reminds me of a Little Tikes toy. It's pretty thick and very sturdy. So there you go. That's the potty chair. There's the seat that's removable, and then there's the little cup in the bottom that's also removable. And this is removable, so you can just dump and clean it up. What I don't like is the lots of nooks and crannies, so you have to clean that up. But I think it's less complicated than other potty chairs that I've seen online. So the best part that I like about this is after they use it, they can use it like a stepping stool to brush their teeth, and it's pretty straightforward. And I hope you like this potty set. This one came from Amazon, and this one came from Walmart, and I will link them in the description. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.